Hi friends, today we're making an absolutely delicious tiramisu. This is one of the world's most loved desserts. I thought, well, why don't I have this up on my channel? So today we are doing it. This recipe is not only super easy to make and quick, it tastes oh so delicious. We've got silky smooth, the creaminess texture of the inside with the coffee ladyfingers. So good. This recipe also has no eggs and no alcohol, so it's kid friendly. You can make it ahead of time. There's no baking involved. Let's get to it. As always, I leave all of the ingredients and the full recipe in the description box, so if you're looking for that, make sure you check it out there. To start with, pour the cream into your bowl and start to whisk on a medium speed. Then you can slowly add your sugar and your vanilla. Once stiff peaks start to form, fold in your mascarpone cheese and then set aside. In a shallow bowl or dish, add your coffee and then start to dip the ladyfingers on both sides. You'll need to just do a really quick dip because if they do get too wet, they will start to crumble. Start to layer them on the bottom of your dish, filling right out to all the sides. Add roughly half of your cream mix to the top of the ladyfingers and then evenly spread all the way across. Then you can repeat the layering of your ladyfingers, so dip and place again, ensuring all of the dish is covered. Add the last of your cream mix to the top of the ladyfingers and then evenly spread. Here I am using my Le Bon Baker spatula. I designed them myself and every single one is handcrafted. If you are interested in getting one for yourself or as a gift, head to lebonbaker.com and check them out. To finish off your beautiful tiramisu, dust with a generous dose of cocoa powder. Then you want to refrigerate for at least 3 to 4 hours or overnight before serving. It is time for some tiramisu. I'm so excited. So this has been setting in the fridge. You may be able to hear there's a big storm about to hit. So I'm gonna try and eat this before the storm hits because it's gonna be pretty loud. But just to let you know, it's been setting in the fridge for a few hours. You can leave it overnight. The longer you leave it, it's totally fine. It's not gonna make too much of a difference. I'm so ready to eat this with my cup of tea. It's just melts in your mouth. So soft, so easy to eat, just slides down. The coffee flavor of those little lady fingers is just absolutely beautiful. So I paired it with a little bit of nutmeg in this recipe, and then the sweetness from the cream and the mascarpone, oh my gosh, it's just sensational. This is honestly a little bit too easy to eat. Soft, velvety, smooth, everything you'd want from a tiramisu. You can see why this is one of the world's most loved desserts. Amazing, and I love that this one has no egg and no alcohol as well. So yeah, guys, you can really have this any time of day. Sometimes you don't always feel like having the alcohol version in your tiramisu, so this is a perfect option if you're looking for something a little bit different but still got that really traditional tiramisu flavor. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope that you love this recipe. Go make it at home, and please, if you haven't already, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. It really does help support my channel and I appreciate you being here with me. And if there are any recipes you want to learn how to make too, make sure you let me know in the comments below. Thanks again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.